Hello there. So this is a quick video of the GoPro Hero 10 again, trying to use it as a webcam. So I did a video previously for the GoPro webcam to work with Windows 11. Now, okay, this is very system specific. So in my case, I did an update. So if you could see on the screen here, I was out on vacation on end of March and around, April, there's an update that I did run. So if you could see here, I have the Radeon 22.4.2 for the driver software that they have. So I'm not gonna upgrade to the 22.5 yet, but I'll probably do it eventually. I mean, I'm not encountering, but basically when I did the new update for the driver, the webcam app for GoPro got kiboshed basically. So if you see here on the bottom screen, let me try and do a preview. So you could see the preview screen here, it's green. So let me move this one away. And here's the preview screen. Green. Just green, basically. Right? But if I show it to you here, it says active webcam. If you could see it there, it says active and webcam mode. Actually here, you can see it. It says active webcam here. So I'm guessing, unfortunately, since the webcam software is still not updated from GoPro, as far as I know, actually. Okay, so GoPro webcam app looks like it's still the old version, so it's still the 2021 version. So there's nothing new, I think, that they have done to update it. So you got the green screen, and it's probably because of some conflict with a new driver from AMD. So this could be system specific, so it might not act like this for you, or this fix might not even work with what you have. So I do have a Radeon RX 6800 XT, Windows 11, 64-bit, yada yada yada. The setup is, hopefully if this fix would work on you, that'll be great. So again, Hero 10 with the latest webcam, what do you call that, the latest webcam app, which is the 2021, which is pretty old anyways. They don't have a new one. The driver for the GoPro is the latest as far as I know. I did check the driver version last, and it did say it has the latest version for the GoPro. And so basically the fix is, from what I was testing with, is to use the older driver for the Radeon. So we go here, so remember, this one is the 22.4.2 for 2022, basically. So go to the device manager. See here. Okay, so go to display adapter. So this is the video card I have, which has the latest driver, and I think this is the culprit. I mean, it's the culprit pretty much, I think, is the webcam app. Basically, it probably wasn't really built with, Windows 11 and all of the other drivers and features and other combinations that you could really work with. But for this case, this was the only update that did cause the green screen for the webcam to happen. So go to so is actually, even with this fix, I probably won't be using my GoPro as a webcam anymore because it's just too tedious. Right now I have my iPhone connected and I'm using it as a webcam, so unfortunately I might have to just do that going forward. For now, because of this tedious process to get the GoPro webcam working, I'll probably just use this for outdoor stuff. Okay, so go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick a list. So what I'll do is, actually I'll use the original driver, or the old driver that the Radeon came with, this 118/2022 version. So it's a 30.0.14023.3004 on 118/2022. So I'm just gonna use that. Click next. Okay, so after updating the driver, so as you see here, I have the older driver installed now from the device manager, right? So I'll plug in the GoPro Hero 10 again. See here, turn, oh, okay, so sorry, after updating the driver, make sure you do a reboot, just reset everything, make sure it's running the older driver. So I have the GoPro Hero 10 connected again here. See here, I don't have the battery in, I just have it plugged. I usually, when I'm trying to use it as a webcam, I just don't need the battery anyway, so I just plug it in like this. And now, after going back to the, reverting the driver back to the old one, you can see here, it is now working. So unfortunately, you see here, it is working. See that toy car here that I have in the shot? There you go. So if you're encountering the green screen, it's probably, if you have the same setup as I do, it's probably the Radeon drivers. So because of just the tediousness of this process, I will not be using my GoPro Hero 10 as a webcam anymore. So if you are, this will be a fix for that. It's kind of a tedious fix because generally I'd rather have the new drivers, right? Because generally they were trying to fix stuff. They're, software wise or some incompatibilities. So it's better to have the new drivers on. But in this case, if you want to use your Hero 10, and you have the same issue as I had where it initially had the green screen, it could be the Radeon driver that you have. So it's one, this one is 1/18/2022. So basically, if the older driver works well for you, maybe you're not interested in updating to the new one if you don't want to, and then have your GoPro Hero 10 pretty much run as a webcam. But I think the main fix would probably be, or should probably come from GoPro itself. Create a new app for Windows 11 and all of the new video cards and drivers, and work with NVIDIA and AMD and Intel and whoever, just to make sure it's running properly. So it's very unfortunate because I really like having the GoPro as a webcam too. I like to have my gadgets pretty much like multi-use gadgets basically. So now I'll probably just end up using this when I'm on a bike ride or hiking or any outdoorsy stuff. So I hope that helps, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.